how to fix login errors on LinkedIn. So if you'd like to fix some of the login errors that you're facing on LinkedIn, it is actually quite simple to do so. First of all, you want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, or if you're using cellular, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Now what you have to do is, next up could also be the issue with the LinkedIn app. If you're using Android, you can long press the app icon from the home page, tap on the I button, that will take you to the app information page. From there you can simply scroll down to storage option, then you can see the clear cache and the clear data button, and once done you'll be able to successfully reset the app. If you're using iPhone, however, you have to make sure to basically uninstall or reinstall or even offload the app. Now open the LinkedIn app once again, and the third reason why you could be having this is due to incorrect credentials. So whenever you're on the sign in button, make sure that both your email, phone number or your password is correct. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button right here if you would like to reset your password, or you can also log in with Google, Apple ID or Facebook ID and log in directly linked to your LinkedIn account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.